Mom, look, this is Mochi Kids. This is the shop I was telling you about.
Wow, it's adorable. Everything is so cute in here.
Oh, look, Amanda's chatting to us. Let's shop around a bit and then go talk to her.
Perfect. I can't wait to meet her.
Hey, Amanda.
Hi, Angela.
Oh my gosh, your store looks so good.
Thank you.
Look at all the people in here too, or I guess I should say avatars. You did a great job with your store. It's so fun to see it presented this way. It's so big.
I know, isn't it cool?
It's so cool. Yeah, so it's my niece's birthday coming up in September, and I was, hoping you could recommend something for me to get for her. She's going to be turning 4 years old.
Well, we have a few different things. We have a birthday shirt with a number on it. Those are really popular.
Oh, is that the one that you have over here in the video?
Uh-huh.
That's a cute idea.
You go to my website, which is linked behind this ice cream picture.
Oh, I do. I see that. That ice cream cone link took me right to your website.
Can I just interrupt for a second? How much are those pins?
Our pins are $15.
Wonderful. I'll go get some cash.
My niece, her birthday is going to be in like a month. And is that going to be enough time for you to ship it out to me?
Everything I have listed in my site now is ready to ship. You're planning on sending those out within the next few days.
Awesome, Amanda. I'm so excited. I've got the shirt. I just checked out.
Awesome. Thank you, Angela.
Yeah, thank you. Have a great festival. I'll see you soon.
You too.